How to fix screenshots not saving in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So first you will need to make sure that you're using the correct key combinations. Typically you should have a print screen button that you should press to take a screenshot. And sometimes it will require pressing the FN key and then print screen, or pressing the FN key, Windows key, and then print screen. Depends on your computer, but as you can see, it just took a screenshot. Now, if this is not working for you, here's how to fix it. First, you will need to make sure that you have the snipping tool installed on your computer. And if you don't have it or you can't see it, so if you search for snip and sketch or snipping tool in your computer and you don't find it, you will need to open up the Microsoft Store, and then you'll need to search for snipping tool. So you can type here snipping tool and search for it. And then you will need to make sure this one is installed, which is the first one, snipping tool. Click on get and download if you don't have it already. And once you install it, click on the open button to open it up, and it should bring up this window, and it should tell you which key combination to press. So for example here, Windows key Shift and S to snip what's on your screen without starting the snip and sketch tool. And then you can press on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side, open the settings, and from here you should be able to see where the screenshots are being saved. By checking this option right here, save my snips, it should ask you to save before closing. Now in Windows 11 you should find an option to automatically save original screenshots, and it should allow you to specify a path where to save them. But this currently saves them in the pictures folder, which is this one right here. If you open it up, you should find your screenshots there. Now, whenever you basically take a screenshot and try to close the snip tool, it will ask you to save it. Otherwise, it should save it automatically for Windows 11. That's pretty much it for this video, and subscribe to see more.